Let's review order of operations. Whenever you have a problem that has multiple operations, such as adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, all in one problem, you have to use the order of operation. We use PEMDAS to help us remember which steps to take. The P stands for parentheses, so the first thing you need to do is solve everything inside the parentheses. Then you go to the E, exponents. If you have any exponents, you need to take care of those next. Next part is the multiplying or divide, and you start from the left and you work your way to the right. It doesn't matter if the division comes before the multiplication, you would just solve the division first. You just work left to right. Whatever you see first, multiply or divide, you just take care of it in that order. Same thing for add or subtract. Start from left to right after you've taken care of everything else, and then whether it's adding or subtracting that you see first, you take care of it in order that it's there. Okay, let's do this example. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is check and see if I have any parentheses, which I do right here. So I'm going to go ahead and solve that. That's 8 divided by 2, which is 4. And then I'm just going to rewrite everything else. I have an exponent, so I need to make sure and keep that exponent with the answer that was inside the parentheses, because the exponent is located outside of that parentheses. Now I'm just going to rewrite my plus 6 times 4. Okay, took care of my parentheses. Now I'm going to check on my exponents. I have an exponent right here. Now remember, 4 squared does not mean 4 times 2. What it really means is 4 times 4, not 4 times 2. I know that 4 times 4 is 16, and then I'm just going to rewrite everything else. Okay, exponents are done. Now I'm on to my multiplication or division. Okay, I'm looking right here. There's no multiplication or division. Keep going. There's a multiplication problem. I have to solve this before I can add over here. 6 times 4, 24. And now I just bring down my 16 plus. Took care of my multiply and divide. Now I'm going to check on my adding and subtracting. The only thing I have left to do is add. So 16 plus 24 will get me 40 for my final answer. Add and subtract, complete. Remember, if you have more than one multiplication or division, doesn't matter what order it's in, you're just going to do whatever is listed first. Same for add and subtract.